let's take a look at the model that I have here. Here I have the globe, and this flashlight represents the sun. And as I revolve the globe here with my hand, you will find that there are countries here that experiences day when they are directed to sunlight, and other countries are not. They're not experiencing day, they are experiencing nighttime. This is night. So what happens when the earth rotates? The dark part that was night will be day, and the part that was light will be dark or night. The rotation of the earth is what causes the apparent motion of the sun. In fact, the sun is not the one that moves, but the earth is. Earth spins on its own axis, as we have demonstrated before on the model here of the globe. I wonder, how much time does the earth take to complete one full rotation around its own axis? يا ترى الأرض بتاخد وقت قد إيه عشان تدور دورة كاملة حوالين المحور بتاعها؟ Now let's find out by reading the text on the textbook. Now let's read together this part. Earth's axis is an imaginary line passing through the north and the south poles here. Earth takes a whole day or 24 hours to make one complete turn. محور الأرض هو خط وهمي مش حقيقي بيمر من القطب الشمالي للقطب الجنوبي. And Earth takes a whole day or 24 hours to make one complete turn. So Earth takes a complete day to rotate on its own axis. Now what about the apparent motion of the sun across the sky? Does the text mention anything related to the apparent motion of the sun? Let's underline this part. The sun appears to move across the sky, and it is Earth rotating, which makes it seem as if the sun is moving across the sky. So, because of the Earth's rotation, we imagine that the sun is the one that moves. So this is called the apparent motion. Now, it's time for you to record all your questions that you are thinking of in I Wonder page in your book. And when we come back, we will hear some of our colleagues' questions. Now let's hear some of our colleagues' questions together.
I wonder, are day and night the same length? I wonder, why does the sun seem to move across the sky?
I wonder, why do I see the moon as if it moves while we are riding a car?
I wonder, how fast does the earth rotate?
Thank you, our colleagues, for your questions. We will know the answers to all these questions throughout the concept. Now let's go and post them on the I Wonder board. Now, one of the questions was, are day and night the same length? The other question, why does the sun seem to move across the sky? Another question was, how fast does Earth rotate? The last question that we have, why do I see the moon as if it moves while we are riding a car? Now, we also got to know two terms from the text. We said the Earth revolves around, exactly, its axis. The Earth's axis is an imaginary line passing through the north and south poles. Half of Earth faces the sun. This part experiences day. The other half of the Earth faces away from the sun and receives no light at all. So this part experiences the night. This happens when the Earth rotates or spins on its own axis, and we call this rotation.
تقدر تتابع كل دروسك على تطبيق مدرستنا بلس. مدرستنا، المستقبل يبدأ الآن.